All right, so welcome back, crew, and welcome back for another video. Hey guys, so today I got a special treat for you. I've been working on little small projects here and there, and I'm just gonna take you along today and show you a project that I've been working on, trying to get a new graphic design for my front window at my storefront. I'm trying to put a little bit more advertisement on the storefront as well. I'm going to turn you guys around and show you exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm also show you the design. It's actually a graphic design that we're going to put on the storefront. This is exactly the design. Let me see if I can bring this up. This is the design here. All right, so that's the design that we're gonna be putting on the window. I'm not gonna do it myself. I probably could have done it, but I'm gonna leave that for the professionals. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and shut you guys off and turn you guys around so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so this is actually the storefront. Not even sure if I even showed you guys the storefront before, but this is the design that I took you guys with me before up here. And we designed that over at Modern Designs. Big ups to Dan over at Modern Designs. He does all my artwork and stuff for me. I tell him what I want and he actually does it. Of course, you guys know we got the shop dog here, Poppy. She's not too far from me whenever we're doing anything. So today we're going to be putting up a graphic design, and that's the graphic design I showed you guys earlier, and it's going right on the storefront windows, and it's going to do a lot for us. It's going to prevent a lot of the shade from the inside looking out, and it's also can prevent that sunlight because we get shadows in there. And you know, the TV is not really that important, but you can't see the TV because of the sunlight and stuff. And also it's going to keep a lot of the sun off the cigars, because you got to keep the cigars at a certain temperature inside the humidor and stuff. And as you guys know, as soon as you walk in, the whole shop is humidified. So we're going to do all 4 panes. We're going to do the first pane, actually 5 panes. We're going to do the first pane here. We're going to do the door right above the door, and then we're going to do the other 2 right. The graphic design will go on the outside of the window, so these windows have to be extremely clean before they do anything. And they're going to come over here this evening and they're going to clean the windows and they're going to install it. But I'm going to actually take you guys along for the ride. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, and we'll see how they do it. So let's walk inside the shop here. So when you walk in the shop, guys, everything here is humidified. It's under humidity. We have nice humidification systems. We got 2 big humidification systems back there. It's called the Oasis humidifiers. And as you see here, I'll show you the temperature. The temperature here as far as humidity, right now it's 62% humidity. Perfect temperature for cigars, guys. Then in the back, I'll show you, we have a nice smoking lounge. I'm gonna open up the door here. Nice smoking lounge here. And as you see, it may get a little noisy because we do have a humidification system and we have a de-smoker. We actually use the Blue Ox. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. We use the Blue Ox. So that right there, you know, allows you, when you come in, you can't even see any smoke. Once you in here and stuff, it sucks it right out into that big filtration system. So that's been a godsend for us and stuff. And here's the lounge back here. Everybody come hang out, watch TV, play a little poker. There go one of my refurbished machines there. There's another refurb back there. You guys seen all those if you watch my videos. If you haven't, go back and watch the videos, guys. And so then this here is all the cigars, and we got custom pipe tobacco that we've had for over 40 plus years. We got all kinds of lighters, cigars, custom specialty cigars. Let's just walk through here. I just want to give you a quick tour real quick, guys. And I'll definitely give you another tour once we get this design up and everything. All right, guys, so I'm going to turn you guys off right now. And once Modern Design come down to start wrapping the windows, we'll turn you guys back on and show you the process of how everything works. And then afterwards, when it's finished, I'm going to get you guys honest opinion on it and what you guys think if I did the right idea for it. I think it's going to be really good. I think it's going to be sweet and stuff. I think I need that for the store, especially for the summertime. And unfortunately, since it's almost, the winter's almost over, I'm not gonna really be able to put it to test, I don't believe, for the winter. But next winter, we'll see how it works. I think it's gonna help out a lot. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on as soon as Modern Design be here. All right, crew, so the guys from Modern Design, they just showed up to do the graphics on the window there, and we're gonna just take some little photos and stuff. We're gonna leave them alone. I'm not gonna really bother them, ask them a lot of questions and stuff, but I'm gonna turn you guys around, show you the vinyl that I'm using, and I may ask a few questions as far as what type of vinyl it is and what makes it so special. So this is the vinyl that comes in here. You see here, they got different types of stuff, and it's pretty neat there. So we're gonna see how they roll it out. First thing they're gonna do is clean the windows off. That'll be cool. I'm excited about it. So now they're cleaning the glass with alcohol and some other type of detergent to get it really clean so that graph will stick to it. Is that stuff like sticky on one side or? Oh, okay. I didn't know if it was like window tint.
Yeah, it comes with adhesive on the back side.
That there should have my address, but my suite number on it. That's cool. So it's like two-sided. It got sticky stuff on the other side of it. That's neat. Almost like my vinyl stickers I put on my gas pumps and stuff. So this comes in strips. They like strip it off and put some water on there. Is that just like regular water?
Water with a little bit of Dawn soap in it.
Oh, right.
And so that lets us move it around, shift it a little bit while it's wet.
Oh, good.
To the right spot, and then once it dries, it stays.
It almost looked like a screen a little bit, you know?
Yeah. So it's about 30% holes in the material.
Yeah.
So it lets about 30% of the light through.
Good.
So you can still see through it. You still get the full light of, the sun coming through the windows, a little bit reduced, but it also is enough of material to give the impression of a full solid image from several feet away.
Right.
So.
Great. And that's what we want.
Yeah. It's pretty reliable. They put this stuff up all over the place.
Yeah, in the summertime, notice we've been here over a year now, and I have noticed like in the summertime, it's extremely got like, if just the glass up there, it gets really hot in there. So I'm trying to let the not so much heat inside because of the cigars and stuff, and every little bit of light to help it.
It'll protect the pot. It'll last longer.
Right. So they're gonna pull the back side of that off so the adhesive will stick to the window. Man, that yellow and red pops. It pops.
Oh, yeah.
Look really nice.
Did it end up spot on the bottom?
So we won't film all of it, guys. We'll just go ahead and do the door here, and then we'll just come back, and once they finish this one here, I won't film every last panel because it's the same procedure, but I do think it's pretty neat how they're doing it. And look how thin. I don't know if you can see how thin that is. Kind of look like a screen. Really neat. Does that stuff stick on vehicles just like that?
Vehicle windows.
Just windows.
Oh, okay, so it's a different type of material for, yeah, because it's more like,
The body of a vehicle, it'll be a different material. Yeah.
okay.
Typically, as well, when you do a vehicle window, you do the same material but with larger holes, so that you have more vision.
Visual,
through
yeah.
the window. A lot of people will get the back window of their truck.
Yeah, but I've seen that in like the American flags or
Yeah.
anything. Yeah.
And so that's usually 50-50, half of it's full. And those will occasionally get laminated as well.
Oh, okay.
The protective laminate, just
Over
because
top?
those are out in the sun constantly.
Now that's a lot of work for you guys. Also put that over top. That's like doing it twice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on the inside, it's just like looking right out the window.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a minute. All right, guys, that's one panel. I believe that was gonna be the hardest because it's got two pieces, and then it's just three big pieces, and I think it's gonna turn out great. So I'm gonna come back out once they get almost to that third panel and let these guys be. That's it, guys. Look good. So this is the third panel, really the fourth panel, because the first one was in pieces. So this is like the fourth panel. That looks awesome. Once they finish the stuff, we'll go over the sign and everything, guys. Look really good, really professional. Let's see how it looks back there. Now, if everybody don't realize that this is a cigar shop, there's something wrong with the big cigars up there. All right, we're gonna come back when they're on that fourth one. They're on the last one, guys. You know, appreciating them or giving, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do. That's nice. That's nice.
It looks.
How's she doing?
She's doing good. All right, guys. So, hey, it's the next day, and we're finally finished up the storefront. And I just wanted to show you guys how everything looked after the windows are clean and put up. And actually, we got a little bit of furniture out front. I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. And I'm going to take you for a small, quick inside look as well. All right. So there she is. All right, guys. So they are finished, man. They did a modern design. They've done a good job. As you see, I got my cigar Indian outside. Let's see if I can get in the sun here. I got the cigar Indian out there. We also got a little bit of furniture out front that if you want to sit down and smoke your cigar outside, especially on a nice sunny day like it is today. So you guys see everything here. So as you guys see, we got two cigars. I just want to explain the history of Sidetrack Tobacco and how it all got started back in 1981. My mother-in-law and father-in-law started a cigar shop in the train station. So in memory of them, my father-in-law, he's no longer with us, but my mother-in-law, she's still here. So they almost got the same type of initials. So in the cigar, I got the JFL. That's my father-in-law initials, John Frederick Leonard. And this is my mother-in-law cigar there. It's the JEL, which is Jean Leonard. I believe the middle is Elizabeth. So that's the front, and we're gonna walk inside, guys. Show you how nice it is inside.
It's the only cold case we have.
All right, so inside, turn around. Inside, as you can see, you can look right out. It's like a screen printing, and it's almost like a two-way glass. You can see out of it, but you can't see in it. All right, so that's how that look. That's the finished product there. All right, so there she is, man. I think they did an awesome job. I did the design, the logos and everything with the lions. So hey, if you guys like this video, and if you'd like to see more DIY videos, do it yourself, write down in the comments below what you think of this video, guys. And if you really like this channel, if you want to support me more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell, so whenever we release new videos and stuff, you guys will be the first one to see it. So hey, thanks for hanging out with me these last 2 days, guys. And like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.